Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm sharing this most requested video of this tutorial for Ramadan moon which I made 2 years ago. I wanted this moon to be a very substantial size, so I used this formula foam board. It's 2 inches thick and it comes in a giant sheet of 4 feet by 8 feet. Don't worry guys, I will link all the products in the description for you all. So what I did was I used a thumbtack and a pencil to draw 2 circles to achieve the shape of the moon. Then I used a Sharpie to freehand this moon shape because I will be cutting this foam anyway, so I wasn't afraid of the extra lines. So once I was happy with the moon shape, I used my jigsaw to cut out this foam board. It was super easy to do, but one thing I would like to advise is to do it outdoors. I don't know why I did it inside. Maybe I was making a video or something, but it created a lot of mess which I had to clean later on. But as you can see, it's cutting very easily, no problem at all. Then I cut these 2x4 wood which I got from Home Depot. You can get it from any home improvement store. I cut it to the size to make the base. So the base looks like this. I used 2x4s and a PVC pipe, and to give it a little bit more detail, I painted the PVC pipe gold and the base black. Here is the close-up of the base one more time for you guys, and this is the hole in which the PVC pipe will go in, and that's the reason I used a 2-inch thick foam. So as you can see here, I'm fitting the foam moon onto the PVC pipe. I really wanted to avoid the use of screws because I wanted something which I can deassemble after Ramadan and store it away properly. So I painted this moon white so that I can avoid that purple color seeping through this white tinsel that I'm using. Once again, this process is super easy. It's just tinsel garland which I'm wrapping around the foam board and using a fabric staple gun to put it in place. Very simple to do, a little time consuming but super simple to do. I used a total of 4 garlands for this 6-foot tall moon, and see here I'm putting the last staple to hold the garland, and here it is. Look how beautiful it looks. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and also let me know in comments if you have any questions.